Okay, this is the award-winning Motorola Xoom, which was product of the show at CES. We're really excited to be introducing this dual-core, 2 GHz processing power, 1 GB of RAM, 32 GB of onboard memory beast of a tablet. I mean, it's brutally powerful, but you know, look how smooth the screen is on here, running the new Android 3.0 Honeycomb. That's an operating system built from the bottom up to work on tablets. So we ask ourselves a question, you know, why does somebody want to actually run a tablet? And one of the first things is actually the browsing experience. Now, the Motorola Xoom with Google, that has a multi-tabbed browser, which means that you can open up several individual web pages at the same time. We're not running on a web connection at the moment, which means I can't show you, but we can open up multiple web pages. They'd all be able to load up at the same time. It would come with Adobe Flash 10.1 on board to give you a really optimal web experience. You can save your bookmarks, any of these widgets, and be able to zoom straight to any of the individual websites that you'd like to view. Another reason people purchase tablets is to manage their media. So here we've got a few examples of media. You see how smooth it is looking at all of the photographs. Now, what's worth remembering is that the Motorola Xoom actually works with full-size photographs, so it doesn't make small images or low-resolution images of full-size images. So you can see the detail here, how fluid it is. I can zoom in on a particular point, and you can see how quickly that's actually shown on the screen. Just flicking image to image, and I can just as quickly resize, and again, view the photographs. So that's photos. Another element here is video. I got a high definition video running in 720p. Now the screen that you're looking at here is 1280 by 800, and you'll see this menu bar down the bottom. What the display allows us to do is to show 720 lines across here, okay, and the very bottom takes it up to 800 resolution lines. You can see the crispness and clarity on the image. I'll just fast forward to some of the parts of the movie so you can see it in the light, and it's really vibrant and bright display. The other thing to notice here as I turn up the volume is that the audio quality straight out of the tablet is very, very strong, and that's because we've integrated left and right speakers with a nice resonating chamber there to really enhance the audio which comes out. So it's lovely to listen to as well as to watch. There are over 1 million pixels on each of these Xoom screens, and again, as I say, the brightness and the clarity is superb. So I'll press pause on that, and then home, and we'll come back to the home screen. We have the full music player, so you can drop your DRM-free content onto here, and we can come in and then, you know, play any of these. Again, very smooth, very nice experience. Being a multitasking UI, I can actually do multiple things at once, so I can be listening to music whilst, for example, reading books. So here we've got a number of books. Let me open up, oops. Let's see if I got one of the others downloaded. Now, maybe listen to music whilst reading a book, and you know, you can see the attention to detail that we have on each of the individual pages, and the experience of, you know, reading books on Motorola Xoom is very, very nice indeed. So let's come back. Let's also press pause on our music. Email. You're going to want to access your email. Motorola Xoom has full integration with the Google email system, Gmail, and it's really nicely optimized for this device. So let me come into any one of these emails. You can see I've got attachments down here. I can open up, have a quick look at what the attachment is. Maybe it's my expense account, and come in, I can edit it actually on device. So it makes for a great communications experience. You can also use any of your other email systems available. You'll notice on the front of the Xoom we have a 2 megapixel front-facing camera, which means that I can actually video talk straight from device also. So this would switch on the camera if I was connected onto the internet, and you would start to be able to you know, run two-way video calls with your Google Mail contacts. We have a video camera on the back of the device that will shoot high definition video as well, so shoot that straight from device. We have a wonderful experience on the 5th generation of Google Maps, which I'll show you on another device. And also, what's worth remembering is that whilst all of this is happening, this device is multitasking. So I'm just going to switch on. You can go back to any one of these, be it my music, be it my email. All of these remain running at exactly the same time. Maybe it's my photographs or my movie, as we've seen. Here we have Google Maps version 5, which is a really lovely user experience. Here I'm going to come into, let's go to Torres de Colón, Madrid. Or maybe I won't be able to here. I'll try and zoom into sort of my current position. I can actually look at the world in 3D, a 2-finger tear down there, and we can actually turn around and view the individual city. Now, what's nice about this, we're on Barcelona at the moment. It's located me, or the group of us here, and if I took another city, say Madrid, which has been vector mapped, you would also be able to see the buildings extruded up out of the earth. Also integrates full 360 street view, so you can view the street around you as you're looking through the map application. Now we're quickly going to come back onto another device and show you some of the great applications which we've actually got here. This is one of the gaming applications loaded onto the device. Is Trendy Entertainment's Dungeon Defenders, and you can see the crispness, the clarity of the animation on this video game as I sort of control this little knight running around a fantasy world here. It's a lovely little execution that's available on this, a very compelling little game, and they're getting more and more rich as we go. We can come in, we can interact with other characters. Let's zoom up and let's have a look at the world around us. Again, very, very smooth. So it gives you an idea of some of the processing power, and like I say, this is whilst it's multitasking, doing a bunch of other things in the background. So, that's the Motorola Xoom.
Thank you.
Thank you.